G'day guys, Ron here from Osborne Digital Marketing. Today we're going to discuss how to install a WordPress plugin. Jump straight into it. Alright, as you can see, I'm on the back end of my WordPress website. Just FYI, if your side panel doesn't, if it looks like this, all you'll need to do is scroll to the very bottom and extend that, the little play button there, and it'll extend the sidebar. What we're going to do is I'm going to show you both ways of installing a WordPress plugin. So I'll walk you through the motions. You have the way of installing it from the back end, or you can actually then install it from an actual, you download the file and upload it to your website. Awesome. So what we're going to do, the first one is we're just going to come up to plugins. Okay, so you can see this nice pretty picture up here. Click on that, then click add new. Okay, so these are all the current plugins you'll have installed on your site. You click add new. Few caveats to mention: if you are uploading something that's going to be quite impactful, so let's say you're downloading something like a SEO plugin, or you're downloading something that can really change the structure and the code of your site, it's very important that you back up your site before you install the plugin. Okay, you can download a ton of plugins that will utilize it as a backup, but that is something, if you're not comfortable with doing this, if this is the first time doing this, I would strongly suggest talking to your development team and asking if it's okay to install it. And if they say no, you should install a backup profile, then by all means listen to what they have to say, listen to their recommendations. But ideally, we're on the page now, so what I can do is I can try it the first way. So we're looking at getting the get response plugin, so just type that over here in the keyword section there, and we will wait to load. And as you can see here, it's popped up. Now you have, like I said, we'll do it both ways. You can click install now, or you can go across to the actual, this is WordPress.org, their main site, and there's a ton of plugins there. Sometimes you'll find that the more exotic a plugin is, you're going to have to go to the WordPress website compared to trying to find it on the back end of like we just did. So I've downloaded that. Here's the file here. You can come back over. Now, upload plugin. So if you need to upload the file, you can simply drag it in, let it load for the second, install now. You shouldn't have to extract it. Sometimes it can be a little bit dramatic, and you will need to you will need to extract it and then play around with it. Sometimes it's just a little bit finicky like that, but majority, you will just need to upload it like I did. All I did was click download and I've uploaded it. Activate the plugin and we're finished. That's it. So essentially, obviously I'm going to need to go in and fix all the parameters and do everything else that needs to be done. But get response should now be appearing in my sidebar, which it is. So now it's my job to go in, set that all up on the back end, but that's how you install a plugin on WordPress. Remember, there's two means of doing so. The more exotic a WordPress plugin is, the more likely you'll have to go and find it. Guys, if you've found value from this, if I've actually helped you achieve the goal of installing a plugin, please hit that like button and return the favor. Hit the subscribe button. It means a lot to me. I love making these helpful videos. If they've helped you out, it helps me out by doing that. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Cheers.